तव कथामृतं तप्त जीवनं कविभीडितं कर्मशापं श्रवणमङ्गलं श्रीमदाततं भुवि गुणन्ति ते भूरिदा जना. Isn't it? Huh? Understand? No, why are you come here? Huh? Tava kathamrutam tapta jivanam. Huh? Kavi bheditam. Karmasapaham. Huh? Sravanamangalam. Huh? Srimadatatram. Bhuvi gunanti te bhuridajana. That is what. Oh Lord. Your nectarian katha. Kathamrutam. Do you understand? The nectarian katha of Krishna katha. Nectarian katha of Krishna. Do you understand? So nectarian Nam Sankirtan also. Do you understand? It is a soothing balm to the afflicted heart. Do you understand? Soothing balm to the afflicted heart. Tapta jivana. Those who are in this material world, they are afflicted with three tapas. Adhyatmiko, adhidaiviko, adhibhautiko. Understand? Are you not afflicted? All are afflicted with three tapas in material world. Adhyatmiko, adhidaiviko, adhibhautiko. Those who are there in Golok Vrindavan, do you understand? Especially the gopis headed by Radharani, they are also afflicted. What type of tap? That is viraha bhava, pangs of separation. Do you understand? Acute pang of separation, that is such heat and fire. They are afflicted with that. And this Krishna Katha and Krishna Nam Kirtan is also soothing balm for them. Yes, it is soothing balm for both. But the conditioned souls, those who are afflicted with three tapas, and those gopis that were Radharani were afflicted with the pangs of separation from Krishna. That is Tava Kathamritam Tattva Jivana. You understand? So, Golakir Premadhana Harinam Sankirtana. So, this is Golak Vrindavana's Premadhana. It is not this affair of material world. And Gaur and Nitai, they bring it here. The same thing. Those Hari, Rama, Krishna, Nama, Sankirtana, gopis, headed by Radharani, they do. Mahaprabhu is doing the same. Because Mahaprabhu appeared here with assuming the Radha Bhav, the mood of Radharani, complex of Radharani thinking, the same way, feeling the same pangs of separation. Do you follow me? Same pangs of separation as Radharani thinks. And always crying, shedding tears. Jugayitam nimishena chakyusa prabhusayitam sunyayitam jagat sarvam govindam virahena me. This is Mahaprabhu's Sikhastaka. What Mahaprabhu feels. Sunyayitam jagat sarvam Govinda, Jugayitam nimishena chakyusa prabhusayitam sunyayitam jagat sarvam Govinda virahena me. Mahaprabhu says, feeling the pangs of separation from Govinda, the whole world seems to me empty. Sunyayitam, isn't it? Seems to me empty. Jugayitam nimishena. One movement seems to be a great juga. Isn't it? Movement seems to be a great juga. Sunyayitam. Jugayitam nimishan chakyusa prabhusayitam. The tears roll down from the eyes like torrential rain. Sunyayitam jagat sarvam Govinda virahenami. Feeling the pangs of separation of Govinda, the whole world seems to me empty. This is Viraha Bhav. Do you understand? And this Viraha Bhav, Mahaprabhu is always crying. Kaha moro prana natho murali bodhana kaha moro prana Brajendra Nandana Brajendra Nandana Kare kahibo kiba Jani moro dukho This is Mahaprabhu's mood. Crying. Mahaprabhu is always crying. Rorudyamana. That is the mood of Mahaprabhu. Always feeling pangs of separation from Krishna, though he is Krishna. Yes, because this is Radha Bhava. Do you understand? Don't disturb the mood of Gaurav. Very painful to him. Kaha moro pranonatho murali vadana. Where is the Lord of my heart? That murali vadana, Krishna, was fruit on his lips. Kaha karo, kaha paun Brajendra Nandana. Where shall I go? Where shall I find him? That Brajendra Nandana, son of Nanda Maharaj, and what shall I do? Saying this and crying. Kahare kohibo kiva jane mor dukho. Brajendra Nandana bina phate mor bukho. To whom shall I speak? The pain I feel in my heart. Do you understand? The pain I feel in my heart. What is the pain in my heart? Without finding Brajendra Nandana Sarvananda Maharaj, my heart is splitting up. Do you understand? To whom shall I speak? Can anybody understand this thing? Kiva jane mor dukho? Saying this thing and crying, shedding tears. That is Mahaprabhu's mood. You understand? So this is Radharani's mood. So acute pang of separation from Krishna. And this pang of separation is the last, last limit of prema. This is last limit. You understand? If there is some limit, then this is the limit. Last limit of prema, this acute pang of separation. Viraha. Without this viraha, one cannot taste, release this nectar emanates from out of this prema. Do you understand?